Okay, foodies, so here we go. I just opened a pot. Look how nice this is with the lamb pieces, and I put in some peas to go with our celery and carrots, and look at that, and some potatoes. I've got some nice little potatoes here. See the potatoes? Look at this, and it's thickened up really nice because I put that, if you remember back when we were doing this, I put some flour, to be a thickening agent. So that way I wouldn't have to add any sort of a thickening agent, nothing at all. The flour would do the job. If you want it thicker, add something. Okay? So there we have it. And remember, warm up your winter days because it's cold. And you know what? Depending on where you live, make a stew. I use lamb today. You can use beef, you could use pork, but make a stew. Chicken even makes a great stew. Chicken breast stew is great. The slow cooker, look at the steam coming out of there. And there we have it. So this is another beautiful day here in the Carpizzo kitchen, and we want to thank you all for coming in and joining us. And you know what? We'll see you down the street as we make more videotapes, and I try to help you all to cook, eat, and enjoy. This is Peter Carpizzos, as always, out.